Hi nail friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you this new polygel kit that I'll be trying out. This kit is available on Amazon and it's from GERSHION. If you're new to my channel, I'm Cheraelsymone, bringing you the best tips and tricks for making your nails look beautiful and fabulously done at home. For more content just like this, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. So I know this is a little different, well, a lot different from what you're used to on my channel, but hey, we must diversify a little. And someone requested that I do polygel, so here it is. Hey Eve twin! So I'm doing an unboxing of this GERSHION Polygel. This is the red and nude poly nail extension gel enhancement. It does not require slip solution or dual forms. It's more like a builder gel, and the texture is more liquid and less sticky, so you can create more shapes easier and faster. So as you can see, the kit comes with a nail file, but I don't think I showed that. Instructions right here, as you can see, very detailed instructions. Nail forms, but I will not be using them today. A brush to dust off the excess dust. A brush to apply the polygel, top coat, and base coat. I also got 6 30 ml poly nail gel tubes that I'll be swatching, so take a look at the different reds and nude colors in this kit. I also picked up this clear polygel from GERSHION as well. This one requires slip solution. So I'll be using number 17 and the clear polygel today. I've already applied my tips and now I'm using some sunscreen on my hands because I'm going to be placing my hand in the lamp a lot for this design, so I have to protect my skin. So this is my first time using polygel and I was so nervous doing this design. I'm just applying the base coat to my nails. I was not sure if I should apply it to my natural nails only or to the tips as well. So I decided to do the latter and I cured for 60 seconds. Now I started on my thumbnail. So this new upgraded polygel does not require you to use rubbing alcohol as a slip solution. So all you have to do is squeeze the product on your nail and disperse it all over your nail to make a smooth surface, or as smooth as it could be. The polygel is a little runny, but it's manageable. I really like it. It's like playing in mud or something. It makes you feel like a kid again. I remember making mud cakes and all that crap. It's somewhat can self-level, but not to the point where the nail would be really smooth. So when I was finished, I cured in the lamp for 60 seconds and then I applied another layer and cured again for 60 seconds. On the pinky finger, I'm applying all of the colors to my nail, and then I'll be using a toothpick. I'm just going to swirl it together to get a marble effect. The only colors that really stood out was the red and the peach colors. The other colors were very similar, so you couldn't really see those colors in the marble as much. I cured for 60 seconds and then I did another layer, but I didn't show that one. And if you're getting value from this video, hit the like button below and comment your thoughts on the design as well. Don't forget to subscribe to get the best tips and tricks for making your nails look beautiful and fabulously done at home. Now on the ring finger, I wanted to do a negative space design, so I basically drew where I wanted the color block to be, and I just filled in the space and then I cured for 60 seconds. I actually did another layer after this and cured for 60 seconds as well. Then I filed the edge to get a crisp line. And now I'm using the clear polygel, which was different as compared to the upgraded polygel. So I'm using rubbing alcohol as my slip solution, and the clear polygel was thick and sticky. And if it wasn't sticky, it's very gelatinous. It was very hard to work with. It wasn't difficult to the point where it was unmanageable, but it's a transition when you compare the both polygels. I preferred using the one without the slip solution. Probably if I was introduced to the clear polygel first, I wouldn't be saying this, but I prefer the other polygel as opposed to the clear one that requires a slip solution. So I just place a thin layer of clear and then I place some iridescent flakes on my nails, and then I cured that for 60 seconds, and then I used the peach color polygel to complete the negative space design. Then I cured that for 60 seconds. I did another layer after that and cured for 60 seconds, and then I encapsulated the glitter. The nail ended up looking lopsided because I had a difficult time molding the clear polygel a bit, but I knew I could file it, so I wasn't really worried too much about that. And then I cured for 60 seconds. Now onto the middle finger, I'm doing another negative space, but this time it's going straight across. So I applied the polygel to that area and using the brush to even it out. So I was getting really tired of placing my hand in the lamp all those times. So to decrease the amount of times that I needed to go in the lamp, I decided to do my index finger as well. So I didn't cure the middle finger as yet, and now I'm applying the polygel to my index finger. This polygel isn't that runny that this polygel isn't that runny that you can't do 2 nails at once. Just be careful when doing it. So I did 2 layers on those areas, but I will only be showing one, and then I cured in the lamp for 60 seconds. I also filed the nails off camera to get a crisp line. Then I added the clear area on both of the nails, and then I added the flakes and cured for 60 seconds as well. Then on the tip I did 2 layers as well and cured in between layers, but I'll only be showing 1 layer. Then I encapsulated the glitter with the clear polygel and cured for 60 seconds. Coming down to the end, I was really getting the hang of the clear polygel and I started to really like it. You know, I probably need to practice a little more with the clear polygel, but it's really nice. Not as nice as the upgraded version, because the upgraded version is very easy, but still it's very nice. All of them are really nice. I highly recommend it. So when I was finished, I wiped the nails with some rubbing alcohol and then I filed the nails. I also didn't need to use an e-file because the polygel was really soft, so filing was really easy. So this is after filing of the nails, and then I applied top coat to the nails, and before I cured I placed some rhinestones on the middle finger and the pinky nail. I also placed some top coat on the underside of the clear nails so that the flakes would pop a little more. Then when the nails cooled down, I applied some cuticle oil. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos. So click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!